The Zacks rank, value, momentum, growth, and income all factor into Zacks rank buys.
Timber and chemical companies seem to be in focus as our growth and income strategist Nina Mishra scours the different stock sources that you look at for income, growth and income stocks. These are a couple of interesting ones. The first one is a REIT, actually, Potlatch.
Yeah, so they are a timber REIT. They own approximately 1.4 million acres of forest lands, and they're also one of the top lumber manufacturers in the U.S. And as we know, lumber has been a very hot commodity this year. According to the National Association of Home Builders, softwood lumber prices are up about more than 10% during the first 4 months of the year. And this is thanks mainly to the ongoing trade dispute between the U.S. and Canada.
I see.
And among all timber REITs, Potlatch has the highest leverage to lumber prices.
Okay.
And, they expected, they reported much better than expected results for Q1. So if we go to detailed estimates page, we can see a big beat of more than 70% for the first quarter. And because of these strong results, analysts have been raising their estimates for the company. We can see that estimates for the current year and the next year have gone up significantly after the results. And since they are structured as a REIT, they have a very juicy dividend.
Boy, don't they ever.
Also. Yeah, so their dividend yield is in fact 3.4% as of now. And they have a growth score, style score of A, which also looks good for growth and income focused investors. It's Zacks rank #1, strong buy stock. And I would like to add, in addition to paying out this juicy dividend, they have also been returning a lot of cash to shareholders via buybacks. So it's a good stock to look at.
And now is May 24th, if anybody's paying attention on the calendar. Industry rank is in the top 5%.
Yes, yeah, I forgot to mention that. It's the top industry rank as well, top Zacks rank, good VGM's style score and for growth, and top industry rank.
All right,
So
seems to
it's
be a
worth
lot to like here.
Yeah, and I own it in the income investor portfolio.
Okay, and then BASF is the chemicals company. This company has a few different types of products: chemicals, plastics, agricultural products. An
So
interesting mix.
Right, it's a German chemical giant. They are in fact the largest chemicals company in the world, but their portfolio ranges from agricultural products, plastics, and to oil and gas. So a very diversified mix of products. They also reported excellent result for their Q1. Their net income rose by 23% and sales rose by 19% for the first quarter. And again, if you go to the detailed estimates page, you can see the beat over here for the recent quarter. And for this company also, analysts have significantly raised their estimates for the current and the next year, because of which the stock went to a Zacks rank 1. This company also has been paying good dividend to their shareholders, and in fact they have been consistently raising their dividends for the past many years. So that's a good thing. I like companies which have been raising their dividends consistently.
That always helps.
That always helps. So you can see that the current dividend yield is more than 2.5%. This is also a Zacks rank #1 strong buy stock with a VGM score of B and an industry rank which is in the top 8%. So that also looks pretty good.
Yep. All right, a lot to like here too. Do you own, outside of your service, either of these?
No, not outside of my service.
All right. Don't always be a stranger to Zacks.com. Don't forget you can get more information on these two companies as well as a host of others by going to our homepage, Zacks.com, and you can link to a lot of different types of stock and corporate information, stock picks, stock picking strategies, commentary, and more. With Nina, I'm Terry Ruffalo.